What are affirmations? Welcome. Today we are going to explore affirmations, what they are, how they work, and why they can be such a powerful tool for personal growth and transformation. Whether this is your first time hearing about affirmations or you've tried them before, this introduction will give you a fresh perspective and a practical guidance on using them effectively. Let's start with what they are. Affirmations are positive statements or phrases that you repeat to yourself, often with the intention of shifting your mindset, reinforcing a belief, or manifesting a desired outcome. Think of them as mental or emotional exercises that will help rewire your thoughts and align your focus with what you truly want. Here's an example. Instead of thinking, I'm not good enough, you might say, I am worthy of success and happiness. By consistently affirming this positive thought, you begin to replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Who uses affirmations? Affirmations are for everyone. People from all walks of life use them. Athletes repeat affirmations to build confidence and enhance performance. Entrepreneurs use them to overcome challenges and maintain focus on their goals. Individuals on spiritual paths use affirmations to connect with inner peace and their higher purpose. Anyone seeking personal growth can use affirmations to break free from negative thought patterns. Whether you're looking to boost your self esteem, improve your relationships, or attract abundance, affirmations can be tailored to fit your unique journey. What are affirmations used for? Affirmations can serve a variety of purposes, such as releasing negative self talk or limiting beliefs, building confidence and self love, cultivating gratitude and mindfulness, fostering resilience during difficult times, manifesting goals, whether in health, career, or relationships. They're like planting seeds in the garden of your mind. The more you nurture them, the stronger and more fruitful they grow. What are the benefits of affirmations? Using affirmations consistently can lead to incredible benefits, actually, including improved mental health. They help reduce anxiety, stress, self doubt, increased focus and productivity. They keep your mind centered on your goals, strengthened resilience. Affirmations help you bounce back from setbacks with a positive outlook, boosted self confidence. They remind you of your strengths and your worth, enhanced emotional well being. Affirmations cultivate a sense of peace and optimism. How should affirmations be used? The beauty of affirmations is their simplicity. Here's how you can get started. Choose meaningful affirmations. Pick phrases that resonate deeply with you or themes, depending on where you're at in life, what you're trying to accomplish, such as, I am enough, or I am open to new opportunities. Repeat them regularly. Say your affirmations daily, morning, night, or whenever you need your boost. Consistency, though, is key. Say them with feeling. Speak or think them with intention. Visualize the words becoming true as you say them. Use different mediums. Write them in a journal. Say them in front of a mirror. Record yourself and listen to them. Find what feels most effective for you. Why do affirmations work? Affirmations work because they help reprogram the subconscious mind. Our thoughts shape our reality. And by repeatedly focusing on positive and empowering beliefs, we begin to align our actions and energy with those thoughts. Over time, this alignment leads to noticeable changes in our mindset, habits, and even the opportunities that we attract. Affirmations are more than just words, they're a gateway to transformation. No matter where you are in your journey, they can help you embrace your inner power and create the life you desire. So why not give them a try? Start with just one affirmation today and see where this practice takes you. Remember, you are capable, you are worthy, and you are enough. I invite you to practice with me. I've curated 20 affirmations that are suitable for everyone, regardless of where you are on your journey. Feel free to repeat them aloud or silently in your mind. We pause after each one to allow it to resonate from within. Shall we begin? Let's go. Every day brings new opportunities to grow. Challenges are opportunities for strength and learning. Abundance flows effortlessly into my life. Love and kindness surround and guide every step. Calm and clarity come naturally in the present moment. Gratitude unlocks more reasons to be grateful. Success is a natural result of consistent effort and belief. Peace begins with a single steady breath. Confidence grows with every action taken. The path forward becomes clearer with trust and patience. Healing is always possible, one step at a time. Mistakes are stepping stones to wisdom and growth. The universe supports dreams and aspirations. Joy can be found in the simplest of moments. Letting go creates space for new blessings. Forgiveness releases the heart from heavy burdens. Positivity attracts more positivity into life. Creativity flows freely with an open mind and heart. Strength is present even in the quietest moments. Balance comes from embracing life's natural rhythms. Take a moment Let these affirmations settle into your heart and mind. Trust that with each repetition, you are planting seeds of positivity, growth, and transformation. Remember, this practice is not about perfection, but progress, about gently guiding yourself toward the life you desire and deserve. Carry these affirmations with you throughout your day and let their energy inspire your actions and mindset. You have the power to create meaningful change, one thought at a time. Thank you for showing up for yourself today. Until next time, be kind to yourself and embrace the journey ahead. You are capable, you are worthy, and you are limitless.